for me, in my experience with dental work, a lot of doctors come on really strong and they say they're the best and they say it'll be the best experience, but they don't always
live up to it.
Back up their words. And, the best part for me coming here was, really the experience. I really felt like I was in a safe place. And, to be very candid, I had to get my dental work done during COVID, which made it all the more frightening. And from the second I walked in the door, everyone was super safe, everyone was super caring, and you could still feel the smiles through the masks. Like you could feel the love in this place. And it's important when, I love what I do, you love what you do, and you can tell the people here at Smile for Life love what they do. And that's really critical, because when you love what you do your best work.
Right.
And, you can feel the joy, not only that you get for yourself when your smile is right, you feel it from everybody here, that they really want you to have a great smile and to be happy. And they will keep working with you to get it right. They will do everything they have to do to make you comfortable and happy, and during the experience, and also comfortable and happy after the experience.
And after the experience, I didn't feel any pain, to be honest. Did you suffer at all? I don't think so.
No, I didn't want to leave, actually.
I know.
Yeah, I was found it to be some of the most relaxed. Look, I'm not going to oversell you on the dental work. Look, it's dental work, okay? But honestly, I didn't want to leave. I could have stayed in the chair for a few more hours, and that's a lot.
That is a lot, considering I felt the same way. Like every time I had an appointment, usually I have to work myself up to go into the dentist. I'm like, 2 more days till I have to go. 1 more day till I have to go. That's how scared I am. But that didn't happen. I was actually looking forward to coming here.
Oh yeah, I was just like, oh great, let's go. Let's go. It's dental work day. It doesn't happen often in life that you have any medical procedure, dental or otherwise, that you're actually like, sweet.
Right.
It was really fun here. Even there's a little massage chair in the little relaxation room that they have. I actually got one of those chairs. That's how much of a fun experience it was. But, for me too, I think one of the things from my experience that's really personal for me is, my smile has looked good for a long time, but it wasn't right. The dental work that I had done, my teeth were smashed in with a hockey stick when I was in the 6th grade. And for 4 years, I had 3 half teeth in the front. And when I was finally able to get dental work done, it was, in the early to mid 80s, and I had concrete and steel posts put in my gums. And so, the dental work was sort of, transparent or translucent. What's the word you use?
Transparent.
When the light goes through it, transparent?
Yep.
So the dental work was transparent. So the problem was when the light's going through my teeth and there's a dark steel post in there, it would make my teeth look dark at certain times. That said, I loved my smile,
Right.
except for that discomfort with having a little gray in there. My teeth really looked good, and I was leery about changing it.
I knew you had to, though, because if you got one more teeth whitening appointment on your teeth, I think your teeth would have just disintegrated.
Yeah.
You've done more whitening on your teeth than I've ever seen anyone as a human. You could have been a part of trials to see how many teeth whitening.
But the problem is the whitening could only do so much. The whitening was
Right.
not going to change the fact that when every time the light was really bright, there was dark gray metal in my teeth. And, nonetheless, that's the only dental work I could afford as a kid. And I think it was actually free. And thank you to that dentist. But, all these years later, I didn't know how much the technology had changed. And when I came and met with Dr. Lodding, I really told him, I was like, I like my smile the way it is. I just don't want the gray anymore. And he was like, I got it. We can preserve your smile, but we can make it better. Not just whiter, but better. And it is. I didn't think it was true, but he really took the time to work on my smile and show me ways that it could actually be better, and that, sometimes I'm so distracted by that little gray on my tooth that I didn't notice that my my canine teeth were really kind of protruding. And, you know, he was like, we can balance that out and do these other things. So it was he took a lot of care. It wasn't just like, all right, let's just do it. You know, there was a lot of care put in and a lot of thought.
Right.
You know, even down to the color. It's like, you know, you're a guy, you play a rugged actor on TV, you know, you shouldn't have the biggest, beamiest, whitest smile in the world. You should have a natural smile like you have now, just without the discoloration
Just a little
that
brighter.
you have from, yeah, just a little brighter. And, you know, that care and attention to detail, I think, for me was really what sold me, because I had one foot in and one out the door. Then once I began the process, it was really it was awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, we had Jen singing and Dr. Lodding telling stories and really, you know, just creating a fun and comfortable atmosphere, which I think really is something that you can only experience if you come here. We could tell you about it all we want, but when you come to Smile for Life, you'll see for yourself that it's a dental experience unlike any other.